Human creativity is a fascinating process. It's about taking what you already know and blending it in clever, fresh ways. Imagine daydreaming and coming up with what-if scenarios, or crafting a brand new song out of familiar rhythms and motifs. Think of it as the art of putting unrelated bits of knowledge together to create something groundbreaking. Our capacity for imagination is a wonderful gift. It's something we use every day, from the small, everyday thoughts to the grand, innovative ideas. But when it comes to artificial intelligence, AI, this creative flair isn't second nature. AI typically learns by breaking things down into their smallest parts and cataloging them to identify objects. It doesn't naturally consider these parts as flexible building blocks for imaginative ideas. But, hold onto your hat. A group of clever minds from the University of Southern California has thrown open the doors to an AI world brimming with imagination. Now, let's simplify things. Imagine you're drawing a picture of a cat. You can choose the cat's color and make it do all sorts of things. It's a bit like that, but here, the computer takes on the role of creating images. The traditional way AI learns is quite the opposite. It involves a close-up look at pictures and a meticulous breakdown of their details, like the colors of pixels. The goal is to train an algorithm to correctly identify new images that resemble what it's already seen. Understanding what an object is or how it operates doesn't usually enter the picture. It's mostly about recognizing patterns. The dream of the science world has always been to equip AI with the power to see the bigger picture, to understand not just what something is, but why and how it works. Recognizing an airplane in a picture is one thing, but grasping why it's a flying machine is a whole new level of AI thinking. The secret to unleashing AI's imagination is a concept called disentanglement. It's the idea that you can separate attributes from the objects that possess those attributes. This concept is at the heart of those mind-boggling deepfakes that have taken the internet by storm. In a deepfake video, a person's facial expressions are uncoupled from their identity. This nifty trick lets creators produce new images and videos where one person's face is seamlessly replaced with another's while retaining the original movements. The technique used by USC's researchers is dubbed controllable disentangled representation learning. Instead of feeding the AI individual objects to classify, they give it a collection of related images to analyze until it uncovers the common elements linking them. Then, they can detach individual attributes from the essential characteristics that define an object. So, picture this: the AI examines images of cars. It can understand the shape of one car, the color and position of another, and the backdrop of a city. Then, it puts these pieces together to create a fresh image of a car, complete with a new color and stance, driving through that urban setting. The research team has put together an impressive dataset of 1.56 million images to train their AI. Laurent Itti, the senior author of the study, puts it this way: deep learning has consistently shown remarkable performance and potential in various fields. But, all too often, these feats have been achieved through mere imitation, without a deeper understanding of what makes each object unique. The researchers believe this method can be applied to all kinds of data, transcending AI's current limits. It could help scientists discover new combinations of existing elements based on their distinct properties. In the world of self-driving cars, imbuing AI with the power of imagination could make it more adept at anticipating and handling unforeseen challenges. Laurent Itti aptly captures the essence of this disentanglement approach, emphasizing that this new disentanglement approach, for the first time, truly unleashes a new sense of imagination in AI systems, bringing them closer to the way humans understand the world.